everybody, and welcome to Module 5, Lesson 12, the worksheet page, if you have it. If you don't have it, that's okay. And remember, when we're working through these, you can stop the videos at any time you need to, or you can work on and check your answers at the end. So the top part is multiplying by 9. Just a reminder of the 9's trick. So for 3 times 9, put both hands out. Let me get my hands to fit. You're going to count over from the left, 1, 2, 3, put that finger down. And then you're going to count the fingers before it. So that's the first number where your 10th spot is. So it's going to be 1, 2. So 2 would go in the first spot. And then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 would go in the second spot. So 9 times 3 times 9 is 27. So there's your multiply by 9s for your practice. We're going to move on to the second part, which is about your fractions. So each shape represents 1 unit of a fraction. Use that shape to draw a possible whole, label the unit fractions, and then draw a number bond. So for this one, we're looking at fourths. So we're looking at 1/4 of it. So we're going to use this to make a whole, and then we're going to label each unit for it. So I'm going to continue this on like this, because we're going to be doing squares. So I'm going to just continue it on like a tape diagram. And we're going to do, this would be, I'm going to divide out because I'm going to need 4 pieces of this. So I have one piece, 2 pieces, 3 pieces, and then divide this into there. So then the next one would be 1/4, 1/4, 1/4. So this would actually be 3/4. So when we're doing the number bond, we're going to make 2. You can do it a couple of different ways. I'm going to do it out of the whole. So we're going to do it like this. Give yourself the bottom parts. This is your whole, this is your part. So for this part, we're going to do, we started out with 1/4. So here's 1/4 there. And then over there, how many fourths does it take to make the whole? 1, 2, 3. We have 3/4 there to do your whole. Okay, so the next part is we're going to do 5th. Now, the triangles are a little tricky because what you're going to want to do is this first one's going to be 1/5. So I'm going to need 5 of these to create a whole. So I'm going to actually do a triangle like this. Then there's another one, so that's 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this would be 1/5, 1/5, 1/5. So when I add it all together, I have 1, 2, 3, 4/5. So for this one, you're going to come down here, make your parts, spots for your parts. So when you're doing your number bond, we started out with 1/5 here. And then how many more do we need to make a whole? We need 1, 2, 3, 4 fifths for the whole. Now, for this one, we have, trying to figure out what's going on here, 1/3. So we're going to have diamonds or rhombuses or kites, or however you want to do this. So this one was really tricky for me. So this is going to be 1/3. And I know based on that, that's going to be the total pieces I need. So that's going to be another one. And then that's going to be another one. I'm not sure I did it quite right, but we're going to roll with it because I know I have 1/3, another third, and another third. So these two over here would be 2/3 of that. Okay, and then over here we're going to do our number bond, and we're going to make our parts to our whole. And so we have 1/3 here, and what's going to make a whole here is going to be another 2/3. Okay, so you can use number bonds to create a way to make up your wholes and divide it into parts if that's easier for you. Now this bottom part question is this. Malika has 2 pans of brownies. They eat 4/8 of the first pan and 3/6 of the second pan. Which pan has more brownies left? So there's your question that I'm going to be asking at the beginning of the stream. So see if you can figure out. Malika has 2 pans of brownies. They eat 4/8 of the first pan and 3/6 of the second pan. Which pan has more brownies left? So drop me a comment in the stream and then let me know what how you figured this out and what your answer is for how many which pan has more brownies left.